Today presentation of franchising and licensing. Next. Next. Franchising is the arrangement of where franchisor to license some right and authority. એટલે is one type of party to license to give the another party to sell the manufacturing product and patent. It is the intellectual property rights. Some right is given to the another party, and it is sells some products and some products and items. Next, future of franchising. Firstly, under the franchising arrangement, the franchisor guarantee permission to franchisor use the intellectual property like a patent and trademarks. Secondly, the franchisor in a return pay to fees to franchisor and may even have to share the part of his profit share કરવો પડે છે. One of the franchisor provide it is a good service and assistance of a franchisor. Finally, both the party of franchisor sign to franchising arrangement. This arrangement is basically contract that start the terms, condition, and applicable with respect to the franchisor. Next.
Now we can see the advantage of the franchising. A franchising can use the franchisee to start the business on a pre-established brand name or franchising. The features also helps in building the brand name and also include the goodwill of the reaching the more customers. The franchising is the additional cost and expenses. This is because of the expenses of the selling or borrow the franchising. Sometimes the franchising gets the exclusive rights to sell the franchising products within the area. Next, now we can see the disadvantage of the franchising. Franchising does not directly control over a sales of the products. The franchising may even leak of the franchising secrets to the rights. The franchising has the complete control over the business. He always has to the policy conditions and the franchisors. Next,
There are many examples of franchising in India. First one is McDonald's, Domino's, KFC, Pizza Hut, Subway, Burger King. The kind of franchising example in India. Next,
what a business arrangement where in a company authorized another company by issuing a license to temporarily access its intellectual property rights. Example manufacturing process, brand name, copyrights, trademark, patent, technology, trade secret, etc. for advocate consideration and under specified condition. For example, under licensing system, Coca-Cola and Pepsi are globally produced and sold by local bottlers in different countries. Next. Next, while licensing, the overseas company enter into a licensing agreement with another company based in the domestic country for a specified period of time. The two primary reasons for entering in the licensing agreement are international expansion of a brand franchises, need for commercialization of a new technology. Next,
benefit of this licensing. First of all, revenue generation. Second things is brand recognition. Third, ownership of the licensor. And second is this: the licensor get to the advantage to enter the international market in the little risk. And last one is the licensor will be benefit from supervisors technology to produce better quality, produce the trademark to better market in this product. Next. Difference between the licensing and the franchises. Okay, you can see that the two major differences of this different licensing and the franchises. You can see that while the licensee provide license with the right under certain property to certain period of this time, and the franchisor the franchises provide to franchise with the competitive system to managing of this business according to franchises agreement. In typically is a more precisely the license agreement. Next. Thank you.